How to fix OneDrive when it does not sync files. We've all been there. You drop a super important file into your OneDrive folder, but that little sync icon just sits there spinning forever, or worse, it shows a red error badge. You check your phone or your web browser and the file is completely missing. So in this video, we're going to look at how to quickly check your account limits and run a clean connection reset to force your files to sync up perfectly. Let's get this sorted. Alright guys, so before we can start resetting any software, we need to rule out the two most common hidden blocks, which are storage limits and bad file names. So left click on your OneDrive Cloud icon, you can use the website, and then select the settings. And in here, if you're on a website, just press on this blue piece of text with a number, and this will bring you this little menu where you can see the total usage for your cloud storage. So as you can see, mine is nowhere near being topped up because I'm not using it. If yours is, too much, maybe it's all the way to the right with this visual line, then you probably know the reason. If you're out of space, you can't sync or upload new files anymore. Then if your storage looks fine, take a close look at a specific file that won't upload. Make sure the file name doesn't contain illegal characters like slashes, colons, or question marks, and keep the name relatively short. Windows will completely choke and block the upload if a file name is too messy. And if your storage has plenty of room and your file names are clean, it's time to use the ultimate reset button for sync glitches, which is unlinking this PC. Don't worry, this will not delete any of your files at all. And then, the moment the re-indexing wraps up, you will see those beautiful solid green check marks snap back onto your documents, meaning that they are safely stored in the cloud. Enjoy this guide as always, subscribe and like the video.